Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze forecast next week gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week we made good profit from the gold trading, so you can join with my Telegram. Link is below. So I'm in a daily chart gold. You can see the new all-time high price created last week, 3,355 is the new all-time high price created gold price. So main reason is the gold demand is the global trade war uncertainty. So US and China trade war uncertainty, gold price pushed to the upside. So that's the main reason for gold demand. So I'm in a daily chart gold. So next week also global trade and war uncertainty will continue. That's the no doubt gold will push to the upside also. That's the remember gold is the safe haven asset. So with the daily chart, some retracement levels I have marked with the daily chart picture. So without global trade war uncertainty not continuing with the next week, that's the gold price can be retracement to the this levels also. So first level is the this 3,200 level. That's the first retracement level. Can be 3,300 level. 3,300 level. And the second retracement level, you can see left side resistance. This resistance becomes support in here. 3,220 is the next level. And the last level is the 3,166 level. This level is also, you can see several times price tested levels can be retest this level. That's the three retracement level with the daily chart goal can be in next weeks also. If global trade war uncertainty continuing, this setup also in valid. Remember is the goal is the safe haven asset. So with the daily chart picture, this can be this pattern left shoulder and the head, and the can be right shoulder. This is the my forecast pattern in the next with the daily chart technically picture. So this level is the important 3,166 level price. That's the maximum pain level price. Several times tested these levels also. That's the technically things. So now let's see the economic data. What are the you should forecast? So I'm going to the Fed Watch Tool website. This the interesting thing is the May FOMC meeting, 86% forecast to post the rate. So 4.5 is the current rate in American Central Bank, and May FMC meeting is the next FMC meeting. That's the 86% forecast to post the rate, and June FMC meeting 54% forecast to 25 BPS rate cutoff. So next week important economic events, flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI regarding US dollar, and the US consumer sentiment is the next week Friday also. Consumer sentiment in New York session, and the durable goods orders in on next week Thursday. So flash manufacturing PMI, services PMI, consumer sentiment, and the durable goods orders next week. You should touch with these economic events regarding US dollar. So let's see the what is the technically important levels with the next week your gold trading. So I am going to the technically what are the important levels. So this is the daily chart. So I am going to, this is the FX Street website mentions gold ends week higher despite Powell's pushback, trade uncertainty lingers. So that's the FX Street website mentions last week Powell's pushback is the goal. Some retracement to the Powell's hawkish tone in last week's speech. That's the that can be happen to the goal. Some retracement to next week. So I'm going to the 4 hour chart, what are the important levels you should touch with? This is the daily chart. So if trade war uncertainty continuing next week, also gold price push to the upside, that you should remember. Gold is the safe haven where asset. Every week, every video I am telling this. Gold is the safe haven asset, so gold can be demand with the market uncertainty. So I'm in a 4 hour chart technically picture. This is the 4 hour chart gold. This trend line is the I am thinking important. So price several times tested this trend line, you can see, and the breakout to this trend line, and now retest to this trend line. So retest this trend line and can be continued to the upside. 3350, 3400, 3500 can be next target with the global trade war uncertainty. That's my first prediction. So price if not continue to the upside and break to this trend line like this below and retest, that is your sell opportunity in next week technical picture for our chart. So you should wait for the price actions in next week. So not continue to the upside and break to this trend line below. That's the first target. 3300 is the first target, and 3250 is the next target with the sell side goal. So that's the for our picture technically. So I am going to the now I am going to the 1 hour chart goal. So this is the 1 hour chart. You can see this 1 hour chart. So smaller time frame what the indicates gold price. So this 1 hour chart, you can see this trend line. So price this trend line breakouts last Thursday. So price breakout to this trend line, and you can see the below side get the discount price and again push to the upside. So price can be this trend line breakout and can continue to the upside. So next resistance level is the 3350 is the that's the breakout. So 3350 is the next level. This is the discount price, and the resistance level is the 3350 level. This is the your next resistance level. So that can be happen next week. So if the trade war uncertainty continuing, can be gold demand. If not, gold price can be pushed to the retracement level I have mentioned this week, this video earlier. So my telegram link is below. That's the two options. You can join with my gold trading community and make good profit from the gold trading. So link is below. You can join with it. So thank you very much.